Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn what is the DQL commands in the SQL, or it is sometime it is called as the data query language. So in DQL command there is only one command, that is the select. Select is also as called as a clause. Let's understand what is the DQL. DQL is stand for the data query language, and DQL commands is used to fetch out your data from the database on the table to suppose if you're familiar with the C or C++ or Java programming, you write internally, you write printf keyword to print out some name of the variable or some information, and C++ you use cout keyword, and in Java to print or display the information you use system.out.println keyword to display the information, or if you hold any information in the variable, so you pass that variable name. So this is the some point for the programming language. In the same way, if you want to select some particular column or the expression from the table, so for that purpose we use one clause that is called as a select clause in the SQL. So in the DQL command there is only one command or clause, that is the select. So select is used to fetch the query from the tables given of the database. So let's first understand the what is the syntax for the select command. So select, that is the clause or the select clause or command. Expression, so expression will be your like mathematical expression, like suppose you write 12 into 3 and 12 divided by 5, 112 divided by 5, and suppose 100 minus 20. So these are the expression. Apart from the expression, you can use writing oblique, and you can write also as well columns. So select expression are the column. You use from clause, tables, give the tables name, and you can also use the where condition, so filter out the record from your tables. So now we understood what is the syntax for the select command. So okay, so I'm opening here my workbench here. Okay, so click on the local instance and type your password, what kind of password you have set up during the installation. Enter that password, click on the OK. Actually some wrong password I entered here, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now your workbench is now open here. So before, actually just I have created some tables, so I'm not going to create the table. So in the DML commands, in this video number 7, I have created the employee tables. So please watch this video how to create the employee table. So in this video, so we will use that employee tables. All right here. So initially I have written some commands, so I am removing here everything. Okay, so I am zooming here to visualize better way. Okay, so let's quickly see the our structure of the select from employee. Okay, and give the semicolon and select that portion and run here. Okay, so actually I have opened my workbench, but I didn't use my database. Which database should I use? So I'm using college database. So college, use college, semicolon, select and run. Okay, your now college data has been selected. and select. Let me show the first structure of the employee table, then I explain what is the select other data query language. Okay, so this is the structure of the employee table: employee ID, employee name, employee city, employee salary, employee phone number. So the ninth record or ninth row in this employee table. So now let's understand what is the select. So select is nothing, it is to fetch out a query from your tables of the given database. So you can write expression, or you can select a particular column from the table. So let's do one by one. So I am writing our data query language command, that is the select clause, and suppose first we do some expression, because I have told you that we can use expression as well. So suppose I am giving 12 plus 13. Let's see how the result is come. Give the semicolon. Semicolon is used to interpreter understand this is the single statement, and it will be, if any statement is after that, you can also read. Okay. So select this portion and run here. So if you see that this is the statement 112 plus 3. First column is created. Now after that it is evaluated your result 112 plus 3 total 115. So if you want to assign as some alternate column, so you can also give as clause. So you can give sum. Okay, if you run, so instead of the column 112 plus 3, it will become sum. If you sum is also key, so let's say integer sum. You can say num sum, you can do better way, right? Num sum. Okay, now let's select and run here. So if you see that initially it was coming column 112 plus 3, after evaluating one is coming 115. Now it had been converted your column as well num sum. So this is the give the alias name. So this is called the alias name. So as is a class is used for the give the alias name. Okay. So if you want to do some mathematical operation here, so suppose you want to multiply 10 into 3, and I'm just cut here and run. So now 10 into 3, this is the, it is creating as a column, and now it is evaluated your real 10 into 3 equal to 30. Suppose now give that divided by 3 and run. So it is giving the 10 divided by 3 equal to 3.33. So you can evaluate mathematical expression in the same way. And if you want to give some alias name, so you can give any variable name according to your readability or the what convenient you feel. So suppose I am giving the divide, you can say right divide. Okay, so now your divide column will become here instead of 10 divided by 3. So divide column is created, and now the result is evaluated 10 divided by 3 in here. So now you understood how to write the expression in select. Now we will go how to fetch out some column from the table, or how to select some column from the table. So initially the structure of the employee table was that okay, select from, okay, these are the typo mismatch. Okay, select. So this is the employee ID, employee name, employee city. So suppose we want to only select two column. This is the one column employee name. So how to, you just pass this column name employee name. So star was to use to select all the column from the your table. So we are selecting only one column, that is the employee name. So it will select only one column and all the value will be appear. So select and run here. So now the employee name is coming and this value is coming here. Suppose you want to uh, second suppose you want to select one more column, that is the employee city. So just pass the column name employee city and from the table and select this portion and run here. So now you have select two column, employee name comma employee city. So now select two column and the respective of each column the value is coming here. Now let's select one more column, so you will get idea. Employee salary. So now will be three column will be come. So select employee name, employee city, employee salary. So this is the way you can use. So in the syntax I have told you that you can use here condition as well. So let's write select. Suppose I want to fetch out record which the employee salary is greater than 5,000 and print the name of the employee name, employee city and employee salary. So first write employee name, employee city, employee salary. So we want to fetch out three column and we want to filter out record which employee salary is greater than 5,000. So which employee salary greater than 5,000? This is the John 6,000. If we go manually, and the Rahul salary 60,000, Ram salary is like 11,000, Riya salary is 9,000, and okay. So all persons have salary greater. Let's increase the threshold 10,000. If any employee salary is greater than 10,000, we want to print out the employee name, employee city, employee salary. So here we will use a where condition, where so we want to make condition of the which column employee salary, because we are interested to find out the which salary employee greater than 10,000. So we will write employee column here, employee salary greater than 10,000. Just write the 10,000 here. Okay, employees in salary greater than 10,000, semicolon, and run this. You can, if you are writing single means no other query, you can also run, and if you otherwise you can select this portion area and select choose this button. So we have filter out the employee name, employee city, employee salary, the which employee salary greater than 10,000. So which persons have salary greater than 10? This is a 60,000 salary, 11,000 salary, 50,000 and 45,000 salary. So these are the four employees whose salary is greater than 10,000. So okay, now I want to filter out which salary is greater than 50,000. So only one person is there. So Rahul will be in information will be come. So employee name, employee city, employee salary will be come. So Rahul salary greater than only 50,000. Suppose you want to only two column, employee name, employee salary. So select two column and filter out the employee salary. So you can choose any column after where condition which you are interested to filter out the record according to your problem statement or the specific requirement. So this way you can filter out your record from the tables. So this is the use of the select clause or the data query language commands. So I hope that you understood what is the data query language. Now you saw the demo of select command with example. So that's all for this video, and if this video really help you, please like and subscribe the channel and share with this your friends, and thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.